Okay, so if you've tried this out, so this is g of h of x. So the h of x is going inside of our g. So h of x, this is what's going inside in place of our x value here. So the g of x, we're writing g first. So this is 2 times h of x, which is 3x minus 5, and then minus 7 times the 3x minus 5. Then you solve. So you distribute. This is 6. Oh, we forgot the square outside. So I need to make sure and square that first before I start distributing. So this is 2 times 3x squared is 9x squared minus 30x plus 25. And then this last part will be minus 21x plus 35. So first, of course, we'll distribute this term here. So this becomes 18x squared minus 60x plus 50, and then minus 21x plus 35. So the final answer on this is 18x squared minus 81x plus 85. So that is what g of h of x is. Sorry, that's backwards. So this last example here, h of g of x, so h of g of x, so you're placing the g of x inside of our, wherever we see our x's here. So this becomes 3 equals, so start writing the h, 3 times that x value, which is 2x squared minus 7x, and then the minus 5. So this is just substitution, really. So distribute. 3 times 2 is 6x squared minus 21x, and then minus 5. And actually, that's it. We're done. H of g of x equals this. So you're going to finish the back page of the worksheet. So this is you try composition of functions, and then that's classwork. And then I would do it, though, if you're still struggling on this topic, plugging it in correctly. And then the right side is for homework. And then what else is for homework is 5.5, page 273, number 3 through 11 odd. And so that's on big ideas. So 2 assignments today, 3 through 11 odd, and then also the back of, or the rest of this worksheet. If you want, and you need to watch more, then pause the video, and then I can work out these examples as well. So in this case, g of h of x. So you're writing out the g, negative 6 times our h of x of negative 9x minus 11, and then plus 5. Okay, so I'll give you that, and then, of course, doing all the work with that, the answer, you should be able to work out the answer with this, is 54x plus 71. The next example, f of g of x. So you start writing out the f function, x squared. So now we're going to take the 3x minus 7, and then you're going to square it, and then minus 4 times that 3x minus 7 again, and then plus 2. Then when you finish that problem out, the final answer is 9x squared minus 54x plus 79. For number 3, g of f of x. So we're plugging in x into here. So 5 times square root of x minus 5 squared. and then minus 3. Oops, and that's a 2x minus 5. Sorry. So this one's fast to work out. It cancels it out. 5 times 2x minus 5 minus 3. So you would have 10x minus 25, and then minus 3, or 10x minus 28. The last one, g of f of x. So you start writing out the g function, and then you'll plug in the f into there. So this is 4 times x minus 3, and then squared, minus 3 times the x minus 3, and then minus 9. So the final answer to that is 4x squared minus 27x plus 36. In the next video, I'll go through and work through each problem if you need to watch that as well.